Hi all, welcome back to YouTube channel. Let's start rebooting work using Uipath. And today's I just going to put some pre-requirements which need to be taken care in web automation and recording. Sorry guys, I have missed out since I have already enabled my extension. Totally I have forgot about that to enable the extension. Sorry for that. So let me quickly check and why it has been used and what actually it needed. So before doing some web automation, so which I have shown our previous playlist or recordings, basic or desktop or web, which is an web page application. So you need to enable your plugin UiPath plugin in the respective browser. So for that, just go to the home and then you can come to the tools. In tools, you can see the several browser extensions already given in a UiPath. So what you can do, so you can select your respective browser where you are going to perform your automation. So if I was going to use Edge, okay, prefer like clicking on this edge, just close your all tabs which is in edge. Once you click on here, so you'll be getting a pop-up that UiPath extension for edge was successfully installed. So once you install, yeah, so you can start your automation process. So after install, like after you're getting this pop-up, you just go to your respective browser and check once whether the extension has been enabled or not. So here you can see that UI path, right? So UI. So what actually it means? So the plugin has been added into this respective web page, which where I was going to perform my automation. So like basically, I will just prefer to use a Chrome. So since it is much faster, so I just enabled my Chrome UiPath extension. So I just started automating. Sorry guys, actually I totally forgot since I already installed in my Chrome application. So before doing your web automation process, just enable this one and start practicing your web automation. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.